How to deactivate Facebook account. So first, you have to open your Facebook account and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. So it's very easy to deactivate your Facebook account. All you have to do is to simply tap these three lines at the top right corner, and you have to look for settings and privacy. Okay, scroll down and look for settings and privacy, and then tap settings. Now, once you're here, you have to click this personal details that is under Meta Center since everything on Facebook has changed. Now, once you're here, you have to click this personal details under account settings and then click this account ownership and control. Click the activation or deletion and then tap the profile or the account. Click the activate account, deactivating your account because this is just temporary. And if you click the second one, that means you're going to delete your account. Now click continue, enter your password, and then click this is temporary, I'll be back. And then after that, tap continue. So once you tap continue, they will give you an option if you want to reactivate your account after 1 day, 2 days, 7 days, or you can also tap this don't reactivate automatically and then click continue. So now you are on your last step. All you have to do is to simply click deactivate your account in order for your account to be deactivated automatically. Okay, so tap this deactivate my account and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.